Imagine an AI that not only answers questions but also explains its reasoning. Welcome to Chain of Thought Prompting, a breakthrough in artificial intelligence thinking and explanation. Chain of Thought Prompting, or CoT, is a technique where AI models reason step by step, similar to human problem solving. Instead of just providing an answer, the AI explains its logic, acting as a thought partner. Traditional AI often gives direct answers without explanation, which can be limiting. CoT changes this by offering detailed, step-by-step reasoning, making AI more transparent and reliable. CoT is transforming industries. In education, it helps students understand math problems. In healthcare, it aids in diagnosing conditions. In law, it breaks down complex cases, and in creative writing, it generates structured ideas. CoT uses structured prompts, model fine-tuning, and iterative thinking. The AI is trained to explain reasoning using data sets that emphasize logical steps, refining answers through reasoning chains. CoT faces challenges like complexity and computation time, but its benefits are immense. The future holds advancements like multi-step reasoning and real-time data integration, making AI even more collaborative.